Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So this BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set, there's a 5-pack. They're so soft, low absorbent beauty blenders for that flawless makeup application. So if you're looking for affordable makeup sponges that perform like high-end beauty blenders, these BEAKEY 5-piece set is such a pleasant surprise. I received this product upon request from the brand so I can review it and share my opinion. You can decide if it's the right purchase for you. Look at those. These are ultra soft makeup sponges that are latex-free. They expand beautifully when you dampen them. They are great for foundations, concealers, cream blushes, even powders. So they were designed for low absorption, so you get more product on your face instead of soaked up in your sponge. So I love that they're a teardrop shape because it helps make application super easy. So the rounded end is great for blending your blushes or your foundations on your cheeks, your forehead, and then the pointed end is great for precise makeup blending under your eyes, sides of your nose. It's perfect for that. These also are great because they hold their shape forever, even after multiple washes. Now you get 5 in a pack, so you can actually switch them out in between uses as well. These makeup sponges, they're going to give you professional level blending application at a nice, friendly price. They are perfect for beginners and longtime beauty lovers as well. You will love them.